That is Snake Eyes you were looking at. And here comes the bearded one. Do the split jump.
Got your stick. Ow! You hurt me right there.
I didn't touch you.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Ah.
Daddy, look at that. You can get my stick. I can do that. Let's start over.
Yeah.
Ah! Mommy, be carded it like this. Like, do what the daddy did to me.
Oh. Ah. Ah.
Mommy, do what the daddy didn't do to me. Ding ding.
There is a bell.
Come out.
There is a bell in the woods.
Daddy, come out. Hunter, stay right there and cheer for me.
Ah.
Okay.
I hope you enjoyed nature's Octagon. You hear? Please stop. It was all fun and games until he hurt me for real. Hunter Jack took a stick.
And I did too. A warrior.
Right here.
A virtual warrior.
Lady Jane hurt me for real too. And so the game has called off. Thank you for joining us in nature's Octagon. You are a warrior. You are a warrior. Here's our trek out.